Hey, afternoon. It's Freddie Buzz. I hope everything's well. I don't know if you can see the activity here. There's good afternoon activity. Not letting that discourage me from inspecting hives. The middle of July here in Michigan, southeast Michigan, and I haven't got through all my hive inspections. I'm basically just looking in here for honey walls, going to clean the excluder if it's bad, making sure there's not a lot of swarm cells if it's crowded. But my attempt here is to start from the bottom up, so what I'm going to do is take off the top if it's not too heavy. Yes, it's heavy. I'm going to take it off in pieces. A lot of bees in there. A lot of bees here. So I wasn't checking for honey today. Well, that's a whole box of capped honey there. Okay, this is my hive number 4. First time I've been in the brood in July. Looks like maybe I need to light the smoker. Torch works great. So I want to clean the top of these frames, but I need to get the bees off the top first. See them smoke down? Okay, we're going to make sure we don't catch anything on fire there. We need to clean this up. That's some drone brood. Okay, didn't see the queen. We're checking for the queen. A lot of honey on this frame. See, it's a frame of honey. Inside they overgrew it, but they haven't finished it. Didn't see the queen on there, but didn't expect her necessarily. Wow, a lot of comb. A lot of comb, no larvae. There's some brood. There's larva. Couple drone brood on there. I'll bring it closer so you can see it. Obviously a brood frame. So, I guess I've already proved what I wanted to prove, which is the queen's here. The queen has space to lay. These two frames are mostly comb, so this is a lot of honey. And I'm going to put the second brood box back, actually, if I can get it off the table. Trying not to crush too many bees. Shitstorm. Same thing. We're going to put a little smoke here and they'll go down. Well, they move back real quick if they want that wax. Okay, so it looks like honey and some brood and some honey. I'm not going to take honey away from their brood right now, so I proved what I wanted to prove. Let's take a look at this box. They're working on it. Look at that. That's capped honey, partially, and obviously a little honey inside. So those Those frames look pretty much like that first frame. They're a lot capped, but not completely capped. I'm going to turn this frame around so they see the other side a little better. Now this, I didn't want to have bees in here, but that's easy, I can brush them off. So, I basically accomplished what I wanted. I know there's space in there for the queen to lay. I know there's a queen. It's got honey for food. There may be a dearth coming up here since the middle of July already. Lots of honey here and here, but not completely capped and done yet, so they're good for a few weeks here. I'm just going to get rid of these bees on the top. This is that summer vent top from Better Bee, and you don't want bees in here when you put it on. So that's it for now. This is basic midsummer hive inspection. No real sign of swarms. We're in good deal. Hope they're all like that. God bless you. Take care, y'all.